Come explore some of the history of the American Civil War. Students begin by exploring the period before the war. Not only do they meet Harriet Tubman and Sojourner Truth in the Minecraft world, they also read short biographies of these extraordinary women written by Rebel Girls, a global, multi-platform girl empowerment brand. Students follow the drinking gourd in the night sky to experience travel along the Underground Railroad. They document their experiences using their in-game camera and portfolio, just like a Civil War photographer. The journey takes students to Fort Sumter, the site of beginning of the American Civil War. Here they learn about this important historic fort and even get to repair some of the damage from the battle. Next, students learn about the differences between the North and the South and about some of the changes that would make this war different from previous wars. As their journey continues, students are transported to the year 1862 to Sharpsburg, Maryland, where they explore the battlefield of Antietam, a key turning point for the Union Army. Next, students are whisked away to Washington, D.C. to visit the White House and learn about the important decision that has been made by President Lincoln and his cabinet, the Emancipation Proclamation. Through these immersive experiences, students engage with history and get to explore some of the early history of the American Civil War.